Thank you, and welcome to the most wonderful time of the year. My name is Stars, who will certainly be making a nice list this year. Everyone, feel free to wave them back to Kate and Salvador. Bottlenose dolphins, like us, are mammals. We share many of the same characteristics, such as being warm-blooded, giving live birth, nursing their young, breathing air, and believe it or not, having hair. However, these aquatic mammals have learned a lot about life under the sea, and by paying attention to the experiences of our mammal cousins, we have learned a lot as well. Dolphins sense their environment with sound through a process called echolocation. These sound waves bounce off of objects 300 yards away and return to the dolphin's lower jaw. By using these clicks and whistles, dolphins can tell the size, shape, density, texture, and speed of anything in their surroundings. This process gave boaters the idea for sonar and is used by the Navy and fishermen all over the world. Most marine animals, like fish and sharks, swim using a side-to-side motion. Speeds of up to 15 to 20 miles per hour. This motion also gave Olympians the idea for the dolphin kick, which is used to get a quick start off the walk when swimming. Our dolphins use this kick as a way to propel their entire bodies all the way up, out of the water, and across the habitat.
you for joining us for the most wonderful time of the day. Please remain seated until the usher indicates that it's time for your section to stand and exit the theater. Again, please remain seated until the usher indicates that it's time for your to stand and exit the theater. Please take a moment to collect your belongings and watch your step as you exit as the floors and stairs may be wet. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day at Georgia Aquarium.
Tại đi nọ đó